Hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm Corey Pratt with Craving Cars, and I'm out here at Thoroughbred Ford in Kansas City, Missouri for one particular special reason. I'm here to help raise funds for the Kansas City Aviation STEM. And by doing that, they are giving away a car that you can win just by buying a raffle ticket. They're only doing 850 tickets on this particular drawing, so in reality, you have a good chance of winning a brand new car. It's in here at the showroom floor at Thoroughbred Ford. We're gonna go in and take a look at the car. I just wanna go in here and show you this beauty so you can see the car that could be yours. If you are unfamiliar with the STEM part of this organization, it does stand for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. And in these studies, it will include information and techniques concerning the manufacture, repair, operation, and maintenance of aircraft. Let's talk about this car that you might win. It is a 2022 Mustang GT convertible. It is in the iconic silver exterior with a black convertible top. Did I mention it's got the premium trim? Oh, it's nice on the inside with the ebony leather trimmed power seats. This thing has about all the boxes checked, including it being a GT, which does include that 5-liter naturally aspirated V8 with 450 horsepower. It's got the 10-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. One of my favorite things about this, it does include the GT Performance Package. If you see the black 19-inch painted aluminum wheels with 275 4019s in the rear, 255 4019s in the front. That Performance Package does also upgrade a few more things like the Brembo brake package, the quad polished exhaust pipes coming out the back. All you got to do is buy one raffle ticket to help the future possible aviation related careers for kids. And you never know, you might win yourself a car. And being a convertible, what's really nice is you really get to hear the rumble of that 5-liter V8. I'd like to thank Thoroughbred Ford for helping to host the Kansas City Aviation STEM fundraiser. This is not our first time partnering up with the KC Aviation STEM organization, and it more than likely will not be our last. To stay up to date on future fundraisers where you could possibly win yourself another car, make sure you are subscribed to our channel on YouTube, you're following us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching once again. Please buy your raffle tickets. Links are down below. I'm Corey Pratt with Craving Cars. And to remember all you cravers out there, keep craving.